Hey there, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be making a breakable wall in Roblox Studio. Step 1, we will need some parts. So first get out 2 parts. And then under Create tab, click Weld. Then weld these two together just like that. Then if you want to make the wall bigger, follow the steps similar to this. Control C, Control V. And then create a weld underneath like this. Then keep doing that one by one, or like this, until you have the desired wall height. Then click home, click play. There you're in the game. And then go to toolbox and get a rocket launcher. I already have one here. Notice how the wall does not fall apart individually, it falls apart in one piece. Then you can blow it up just like that. Alright guys, that's all for the video today. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.